Unmute yourself, Akshita, and tell me what you like about rainy season.
Um,
Okay, now Akshita is not able to respond. Next, Kevin. Kevin, unmute yourself and tell me what you like about rainy season. Yes, Kevin. Tell me what you like about rainy season. Kevin is facing some of the network issue. No problem, Kevin. I will give you a chance some other time. Now you please mute yourself.
Teacher,
Yes, Kevin. Kevin, what
season,
about rainy season?
rainy season,
Hmm.
the rainy season. Uh,
Kavya, tell me what you like about rainy season. Kavya,
yes, teacher.
what you like about rainy season, Kavya?
Your voice is low, teacher.
Okay, just a second. What you like about rainy season?
Yes, teacher.
Now I am audible. You are able to hear me.
Yes.
What you like about rainy season, Kavya?
What is time of rainy season?
What you like about rainy season? आपके rainy season में
Hmm, I like to fun in rain.
you like to fine. So this is like to play in the water or like to play in the rain, said by the Kavya. Now Aditya, Aditya Rangle, tell me what you like about rainy
I
season.
like to rain play.
What you like? Repeat once again.
Yes.
Yeah, repeat once again. Stuti Jha, you tell me what you like about rainy season.
Yes, teacher. In rainy season, sometimes the rainbow.
Siddharth said, I like raining. Okay. When it rain outside, sometimes we feel good. Yeah. So
Rainbow.
there are the various things which we like about rain. Students are not able to respond. I don't know why, because my voice is audible. So children, you can see that at the rainy season outside there, we see the greenery all around us. The atmosphere is cool, and even we get the yummy food in the rainy season, right? So these are the some good thing about the rainy season. Now, what are the things which we face, like the problems which we face in the rainy season? What problem we face? We face the problem of waterlogging, and then we get sometimes wet when we don't have raincoat and umbrellas, and even in the rainy season mosquitoes and many other germs grow rapidly because due to they are getting the like the same atmosphere, the atmosphere which they require to grow up. Okay, so we fall sick in the rainy season, we get the impure water on our tap. Okay, so these are the some of the problems which we face in the rainy season, but the good things also happen in the rainy season, and our today's topic is also related to the things which are taking place in the rainy season. And here the poet has described the rainy season very beautifully. Okay, so student, I want that you all pay attention. Sabna did say please make me host. Hello.
Wait.
Okay, so now we are going to start with our today's topic, that is the lesson number 1. As you have given some of the information regarding why you like rainy season, and on that basis we are going to see our today's poem. Children, look at this picture and this PPT very carefully, and then one by one we are going to see each stanza. Now, today's thought of the day, that if you are not going, if you are making mistake, that means you are trying something new, and if you are not making any of the mistake, that means you are not trying anything new. Okay, so children, you can see a beautiful picture. Now see this picture very carefully and tell me what you have observed in this picture. Okay, you can see that 3 children are there, 2 are in the raincoat, and one girl is holding a umbrella, and even they are just running and playing in the rain. It's a rainy season. All around this backside there is pond. Okay, right, these things are there in the picture, so that means all over the rainy season is going on in this picture. Now we are going to see our today's topic, that is lesson number 1, Rain in the Night, by Amelia Josephine Burr. Okay, so Amelia Josephine Burr is a poetess of this poem. Okay, and she has written this poem very beautifully, and she explained each and everything happened. Okay, beautiful things happen, and even the things which are not good, that happen in the rainy season. So let's start with the very first paragraph. That is, first I am going to read this poem for you. Children, listen to this poem very carefully, and then later even I am going to give you a chance to read. Okay. So the first one, chapter now, unit 1, lesson number 1, Rain in the Night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There'll be river in the gutters and lake along the street. This will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pencils all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pencils' faces. Written by Amelia Josephine Burr. Okay, now children, this is all about the rainy day. What happened in the rainy day? Poet has explained each and everything very nicely. In the very first stanza, poet said that it's raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. That means children know that having a beat. Sometimes it plays loudly and sometimes it goes soft. Okay, that the rhythm goes soft. So what happened, that the poet has said that it's raining outside. You know, it rained in the night, it rained in the day, and sometimes when there is an atmosphere, it rains heavily all over the day and night. And even we get the warning in the weather forecast that is going to be rain 3 days, heavy rain. Be prepared, take care of yourself. ओके, सच ए थिंग्स हैपन. आपको न्यूज में सुनने को भी मिलता है कि 3 दिन बहुत बारिश होगी. Okay, so here that the poet has explained that it's raining all night long, and it is sometimes loud and sometimes soft. Now the water or the water droplets which are falling from the sky, these water drops making some of the noise, okay, or some of the type of sound, and this sound is sometimes loud and sometimes soft, and it is feel like it's just like a song. We all get very happy when it's rain outside. Sometimes we sit on our balcony and take a tea, and as a children you wish to go out and take your umbrella and play outside of the rain and play football in the rainy season. Okay, this thing happens. This rain, it makes our heart feel good. Okay, now see that it's raining all night long and it feels like a song. How it feel like? It feels like song. What feel like song? The droplets which are falling down, it's sometimes loud and it's sometimes soft, and that's why the poet has compared the sound of rain as a song. Okay, if I ask you that how the poet compared the rain, so you can say that the poet has compared the sound of rain as a song, because sometimes it is falling loudly and sometimes it is falling slowly. Okay, soft. Now there'll be river in the gutters and lake along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now children, you can see that here is something new word. You have never ever seen this. Now what is this? There will. Okay, this is a contraction. What is called contraction? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Contraction बोलते हैं. Where the two words are joined together by using the apostrophe. ये जो आपको ऊपर ऐसे dash दिख रहा है ना, ऊपर sign दिख रहा है, it's called apostrophe. So this is called contraction, the word which are made by joining two letters. So this is a combination of there will. Okay, there will, but in short it's pronounced as there. Okay, how you're going to pronounce it? There, you know, there word you are able to pronounce. So there, at the end you're going to add l. Okay, l. So there, how you're going to pronounce it? There. Good. So there'll be river in the gutters and lake along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now children, you know the specialities of cat? Cats are very sleepy animal or lazy animals. Whenever they get the chance, they sleep. If you have cat as a pet, अगर आपके घर में बिल्ली है as a pet, so you can observe that these cats are very lazy, and whenever they get the chance to sleep, they sleep. They sleep on a sofa, sometimes they sleep on a couch, they sleep on a rugs. Okay, whatever place in the home they are going to get, what after eating they are going to sleep. Most of the days you can see that the cats are sleeping. So cats are lazy animal. So what this lazy animal cat are going to do in the rainy season when she is going to see that it's raining outside? So this lazy cat also going to wash his little dirty feet. Okay, these lazy cats are going to do what they are going to do. They are going to wash their dirty feet. And in the first stanza, first lines, poet has explained that the rivers, the gutters are going to convert into rivers. What is said? There will be river in the gutters and lake along the street. So the gutter means what? You can see that both the side of road there is a certain provision of drainage water. ठीक है, गंदे पानी को निकलने के लिए रोड के आजू बाजू क्या बना होता है? गटर बना होता है. So this is a gutter means what? A drainage system which are, or the channels which are formed to remove the dirty water both the edges of road. Okay, and the river and the street will become the lake. Okay, you can see that the lot of water is locked over here. So what happened? That the river streets are going to be converted into the lake, and these channels or the gutters are going to get converted into the river. Why these changes are going to be seen? Because due to the heavy rain, this all world we can see water all around us, and suddenly the poet has compared that these gutters are going to convert into the river and the street as a lake. Okay, and this will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. See that in this picture that the cat is very lazy, and even the cat, what the cat is going to do? Cat is going to wash his little dirty feet. Okay. Here we will because our two stanzas are clear, and you can see the meaning of gutters. What is the meaning of gutter? Repeat after me. Gutter, channels at the edges of a street that carry off water. Okay, repeat once again. What is meant by gutter? Gutter, channels at the edges of the street that carry off water. Okay, now first question. It's a first question and you're going to answer me throughout the chat box. How long has it been raining? How long has it been raining? It's A option is all night long and B option is all day long. How long it was raining? I got the answer from so many of students. Let me see. Yeah, all night long. How long it's been raining? It's raining all night long. All day long is wrong. All day long is wrong. All night long. Okay, raining all night long. Sometimes loud, sometimes soft. Option A. Absolutely right, Arpit. Anvi, Janvi, Amruta, Arpit, Spandan. No, Spandan, your answer is wrong. Day and night is wrong. Only night. Okay, Hem, all night long. Good. Saturday, good. Arpit, all night long. Okay, good. All day wrong. Abdul, your answer is wrong. It is all night long. Kevin, even your answer is wrong. All night long. Next time, try and listen to me very carefully. Now, next. What effect will the rain have on the following? What effect will the rain have on following? On Kitty. Okay. So what will be going to happen when it's going to rain? What Kitty is going to do? I want to ask from Reva Patil. Reva, tell me. Unmute yourself, Reva, and tell me. Danish, you tell me, what effect will the kitty have on this? What effect will be going to be take place on kitty? Unmute yourself. Okay, Kavya, you tell me. You tell me. And on your web camera too. Wash his little dirty feet. What the cat is going to wash his little dirty feet. Yeah, absolutely right. I'm getting answer in the chat box. Okay, now student, I hope till now the poem is clear, right? अभी तक समझा है? Thumbs up. Yes or no? Swara, yes or no? This poem is clear to you? Okay. Good. Now next. Next is what? The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pencils all get muddy because they are so short. Okay. Now here, the poetess has said that the roses will wear diamonds. Now maybe you're thinking how it is possible. Roses are not human beings that they are going to wear the diamonds. Diamonds are very precious stone. Okay. But children, see in this picture, two roses are there. And if you see this picture very carefully, you can see the drops of water are shining. And it feels like that the roses are wearing diamond. So what the poet has imagined and made the perfection? It is going to rain outside, that the droplets of water, that the small drops of water are going to settle on the petals of roses. ओके क्या होगा जब बारिश होगी तो ये छोटी बूंदे जो है वो रोज के पंखुड़ी यानी पेटल्स में सेटल होंगे and these petals are when these drops of waters are going to settle on the petals of rose, these drops are going to shine like a diamond. And we feel like that the roses are wearing diamonds. It feels like roses wearing diamonds like kings and queens at court. Now children, you know that the diamond is very precious stone, and this diamonds are mostly worn by this kings and queens because common people cannot afford the diamond. So it's just like that as the kings and queens wear diamond. See here the diamond is there. Okay, in this tiara there is a diamond. So these diamonds are mostly wear by kings and queens. But in the rainy season, the roses are going to wear the diamond. Diamonds, that means droplets of water which are going to shine like a diamond. Roses are going to wear the diamond, but the pencils get muddy. Now see, these are the pencils. Pencils are the flowers. Okay, pencils are the flowers. These are the flowers. and these flowers grow very near to ground. क्या होता है, पेंसिस एक फ्लावर होता है जो एक टाइप का फूल होता है जो ग्राउंड से बहुत नजदीक, जमीन से बहुत नजदीक ग्रो करता है. ओके, सो पेंसिस आर द फ्लावर्स which grow very near to ground, and due to this what going to happen when it's going to rain heavily outside, okay, at the ground and these drops of water are going to fallen down, and that the all mud will be get on this faces of this pensis. So pensis are the flowers which are going to get muddy, okay, but the pensis all get muddy because they are so short, okay, because they are in a short in a size and in the height. And what happened to this when it's rain outside, these pensis are going to get muddy due to the muddy water will going to be fall on this pensis. And roses are going to wear the diamonds because the droplets of water will going to be settled on the petals of roses, and these are going to shine like a diamond. Last stanza is, I'll sell my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pensis faces. Now here the poetess has said that I'll take, see again, I apostrophe and double L. That means I will. And how we are going to pronounce it? I'll. I'll. Okay? How? I'll. I'll. Okay? I'll sell my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. Now what is mean by sell? Sell means as you drive the car, right? What you do? You drive the car. Drive word is there to mention the action of running the car. In the same way, to sail the boat, that means sailing the boat, that means taking boat one place to another place. So here actually the girl is not going to take this boat and going to sail somewhere. They are going to make a paper boat. And I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, a beautiful new places. But first I'll take my watering pot. Watering pot, see that this is a watering pot. The pot which is used to give water to the plant. It's called as watering pot. First I will take my watering pot and wash the pensis faces, because these pensis faces are muddy and it is not looking good. So what I am going to do, I am going to wash the pensis flower and I'm going to sail my boat tomorrow, okay, in wonderful new places. So this is all about the poem, okay. In short, if you see that the poetess has mentioned that it's going to rain all night, it's raining all night long, and feel like it's a song. And after this, what going to happen, that the gutters are going to convert into the rivers, and streets are going to convert into the lake. And after this, what the lazy kitty is going to do? Lazy kitty is going to wash dirty feet. After this, what roses are going to wear the diamond. So pensis are going to be get muddy because they grow near to the ground, and all dirty waters are going to be on this pensis. At the end of the stanza, the poetess has said that what the poetess has said that I'm going to sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a watering pot and wash the pensis faces. So this is all about the poem. Now second stanza, what is pensis? So pensis is a small plant or their flowers. The flowers have a purple, yellow and white petals. You can see that here the pensis flower. These are in purple color, these are in the blue and yellow color. So they grow very near to the ground. Now what effect will the rain have on the following? On the roses? Okay, tell me. What effect will the rain have on following? Yes, Rishikesh, tell me. What effect will the rain have on following? On roses? Sorry. Sapna teacher, please unmute any of the child.